Good morning, Dr. Siva.
Good morning,
Wow,
Doctor. Dr. Rajesh, how are you?
yes, I am doing good. I have just pulled you up on the screen and you look awesome on the big screen. Fantastic, and thank you so much for coming on this show.
Thank you, thank you. So giving me the opportunity.
Yes. So, Dr. Siva, before I set forward into asking you certain questions, just a brief, if you could just in brief tell me about how are things and what are you doing in this lockdown period?
Okay, for time being, it's not only me is locked down, the whole world is locked down. That is the
Uh-huh.
biggest lockdown in my life. And but we keep on ourselves busy. So we need to make sure all the things is done because I have a lot of my patients to make sure they get their products, their medication on time. So what we do, we call them because we have the list of them,
Battery low.
and we give a call to them and make sure their stock is up to date, and we arrange courier services to send to them. At least they don't miss their medication.
Okay.
And because we have a lot of patients, so we need to call them. So every day, just time pass like that.
Okay. So my questions, I just got to know that you recently also published a paper, and this paper is very interesting. I got a chance to read through that, and I'm going to actually go through that paper. I have that paper pulled up on the screen. Yes, and it says Gyanotherapy and Holistic Human System is the pathway of holistic health for immediate relief for COVID-19. Oh, that is
Yeah.
a paper by you, that's Sivakumaran Karupia and Lim
Yeah.
Xiaojin, Dr. Lim himself, So it's a
Yes.
fantastic
Yes.
paper to come at the right time. Can you just, in brief, tell me
Okay.
something more about it?
When the lockdown period started, okay, we have done. I've done few research through thing. Then it's come to my mind that why can't I approach the Ministry of Health, sending some research papers. So I communicate with the company and I write the one research paper. Then with the documents, some of the documents we submit to the Ministry of Health. Then they reply us. They say that for time being, the situation under control. We will wait until further notice. Okay, at least I done my part. So the next step, I see why can't I publish to this to the world, because it's not only we should know these things. Everybody in the world should know these things, that something can work together to immunize our system. So our product is the best product to immunize our system. So because of that, I put effort, do this paper and put publications. Try to first we submit to the publication, and I don't. First of all, I don't think they will accept the paper, but suddenly I got a mail that they accept the paper. Then I send back to the company, check with the Ms. Tan and Dr. Lim. Then Dr. Lim said, go ahead. Then we go on after that, because after that there's a few steps need to be go down. There's a typesetting, proofreading. So from the acceptance dates, it take me 1.5 months to be published, because so many changes we need to do, because it's not easy to publish a simple paper, because they have a lot of typesetters. There are a lot of changes need to be done. They even check your grammar, they even check your sentence, they even check your proof, they even check your every reference. It's not like you just fill up your empty space. No, it's not like that. So after they go through, because OJPM is actually Open Journal of Prevention Medicine, if you say they are very strict on publishing each and every paper. Why they put under the Open Journal? Because there's some publication fee we need to pay. Then anyone in the world can get the paper. So not like Elsevier and some other impact journals. Every paper that you need to get, you need to pay for it. You need to pay every page. Every journal you want to download, you need to pay. But Open Journal is actually very good platform. that we can put. So when I do research, I don't see anything in gynotherapy. So consider this paper is the first gynotherapy publication paper in the publication environment, journals environment. And it will help for, I think this paper, whoever read this paper, it will help a lot of people in terms to immunize themselves, and it also a big helpful for all the DXN member to see some evidence-based papers to make sure they are not worried about eating RGGL. So it's already there, just eat immunized system. And we have those tested with some of the patients, and I got so many testimonials. I found some of my members that working in the hospitals, they are live direct with this, they are contact direct with the COVID patient, and I got a feedback all over their colleagues has been positive, but they are negative. It's not 1%. I got few case studies came back to me, and they said they are all still until now negative, even though all around their nurses, their friends, all these things, the doctor surrounding has been positive. So this is mean that the paper that we put mean that RGGL Ganoderma proven in terms of immunized our system for this virus.
So So Dr. Siva, from a doctor's perspective, I actually analyzed your paper. I read through, and I have some questions for you, because now I thought since you are there, I better ask you some questions on the paper, because when you talk about paper, it is very difficult for people to read the whole paper.
Yes.
But if you have the one who actually presented the paper, if he can help, to understand certain parts of the paper, it becomes helpful. So I will need to even translate that in Hindi, because there are a lot of audiences in Hindi also. So आप लोग जो हिंदी इंग्लिश नहीं समझते उनके लिए मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि अभी डॉक्टर सिवा ने एक डॉक्टर लिम के साथ मिलकर एक पेपर पब्लिश किया था ओपन जर्नल ऑफ प्रिवेंटिव मेडिसिन में. ये जस्ट मार्च में ही पब्लिश हुआ है, और इसका नाम है गैनोथेरेपी एंड होलिस्टिक ह्यूमन सिस्टम इज़ द पाथवे ऑफ होलिस्टिक हेल्थ फॉर इमीडिएट रिलीफ फॉर कोविड-19. और इस पेपर में कुछ बातें ऐसी कही गई है, लेकिन मैं उसके ऊपर कुछ सवाल पूछने वाला हूँ. I'm going to ask Dr. Siva some questions after reading this paper. And first of that is, Dr. Siva, I was seeing that and I see, if you see it on the screen, I have marked it yellow. In your abstract, you say, a combination of gynotherapy and knowledge of holistic human system enhances the alternative medicine era into battling these chronic cases and creates a powerful immune system to protect against it. Now that's a big statement coming, very good, but will you please elaborate?
Okay, these statements is based on, you see, gynotherapy is a method we detoxification our system and balance back our system. At the same time, what I put is the human holistic system is the way how we our daily activity means that you must have your good sleep. You must have your good exercise. You must make sure your your mind is clear. So that's why Dr. Lim come out with the Sunya therapy. Clear your mind. Reset your mind. Make sure you're always in the positive mode, not in the negative mode. See, all these things comes under the human holistic system. That means we as a human have to practicing the holistic way of life. Currently, no one is practicing holistic way of life. We see they don't sleep at all. We see they keep on eating 24 hours. We see they don't even drink a good water. Soda water is the best for them, they think. Beer is another thing. Alcohol. So all these things is actually it's come under the holistic human system. It's not only gynotherapy only playing a role. You must see you also have to play a role as a human. You must work. And you must work. You must activate yourself in a holistic way. Then this gynotherapy and human holistic system can combine and make you perfect. So that statement is what I explained. Yes, made for them. Yes.
Okay, great. I move forward, because I went through the whole paper, and I have another thing. Now here there are 2 pointers. One is the paper. This paper written on the 16 years direct experience of author 1, that is you, And 27
Yes.
years of author 2, that is Dr. Lim, treated based
correct.
on the real time result and testimonial from a patient who has been treated based on this alternative medicine treatment, that is gynotherapy and holistic human system. This is one point. So I just want to validate the efficacy of this paper is more on the basis of practical experience by you both as practitioners, and second is to knock down, now here comes the statement, to knock down the virus, we need to improve the immunity function of the body to find cures for the diseases. We have to work backwards, prepare the system to fight disease, not to find cures for the disease. Now here, please, I would like a little elaboration from your side.
Okay. As far you know, Dr. Lim is already worked 27 years. I think he has been treated more than a million cases.
Yeah,
okay.
for sure.
That is the life testimonial. And same thing, in 16 years, I'm every day seeing a patient. If you calculate, not in the COVID time, every month I'm seeing almost 500 patients. Okay. So this is all live cases that we see, and we see the improvement of daily basis. Means that you will know this product really works on the human, and it is the real life testimonial when the people telling you back. Okay, if you see the increment of the patient always happen when you giving a good services in terms of gynotherapy and in terms of human holistic system knowledge. Because when they came to see me, we are giving them both knowledges, not only gynotherapy and also their lifestyle. Changing of lifestyle is a changing of holistic methodology in their body, in their system, in their family. Okay, so this is the thing that we want them to practice. Okay, so the next one, we have to, you see, currently in this world, we cannot find lot of medicine for lot of diseases, especially chronic cases, and also especially lot of viruses. We have some bacteria medicine, antibiotics for bacteria, but we don't have anything to virus. Even though a single dengue patient not been treated well, and end up we can hear they have been died because of dengue, because of liver failure. So these things cannot be accepted. And in my life 16 years, I've seen more than 2,000 over dengue patients. I've treated them very easily, and most of the patient after I treated, I think they stay just in home, they just drink the water. I told them, if it's critical, go to hospital. If you're very active, if you feel that your system is good, you can move around, and no fever, no nothing, you feel like a normal people, that means the system is fighting backwards internally, fighting backwards, not with the drugs. That means it right backwards to immunize your system, and the system is fighting the thing. Holistic medicine always immunize your system, strengthen your system, and balance your body to have all the ability to fight the diseases. This is how the body is been created. It's not my body, it's everybody's system. Since human born in this world, this system already created in each and every body. But in this modern era, what we're doing, we are changing and demolishing our own human system. When we demolishing, end up we need to go and find some modern medication. But even though there's a mild solution there, but in a long-term purpose, we can see lot of side effect, and the person become very bad in shape. So this is why the second statement has been put.
Okay, great.
Okay, clear?
Yes, absolutely. So I'm going to investigate further. I'm going down. Now on the screen, this is for the people who want to know more about Ganoderma. You have actually presented the complete breakdown of the bioactive compounds of Ganoderma. And this is for all those people who want our research. So this is not for you. I just wanted to let people know how in depth you have gone into making people understand the importance of Ganoderma. So I move forward. I want to bring your notice to this particular statement, this paragraph. The combination of these natural sources to be strengthens the immune systems of the patient and non-patient for the normal person or frontline medical personnel. Okay, you're here also quoting that only not a normal person, but also the people who dealing with patients who are suffering from any viral conditions. Okay, you're saying that Ganoderma, which in brackets you have put as the king of herbs, black cumin, that's Nigella sativa, okay, the black seed. Then you have Andrographis paniculata and Roselle. You have added 3 more along with Ganoderma. And this is the combination therapies you're saying we can prescribe to the COVID-19 patients and to normal people or medical frontliner peoples, which can strengthen the immunity and ability to perform duties and take care of patients without any worries. Now that is kind of a holistic prescription for all those people who are dealing with these patients or who are having the fear of getting infected.
Yes, these 4 items that I quoted in this paper, because I've done a fully research and supporting evidence has been given in each prescription. That means for Ganoderma, we have enough evidence base that Ganoderma have an antiviral. Okay, same thing to the black cumin, have the antiviral association, and Androgy also have the antiviral association, and vitamin C also have an antiviral association. So ability, this been quoted based on the lot of research papers that been tested in the field, in the research area, and they found out that all these 4 elements is very powerful in terms of antiviral balancing. So you can balance the virus, you can neutralize the virus, and it also can help the immune system to kill the virus. So based on this research, and we have come out with the summary. I have a summary, but I didn't put in the paper. That summary is my own research. So based on that summary, we found that a lot of research papers, they have quoted that Ganoderma, black cumin, Androgy, and Roselle are very good antiviral associated to the human being. And it's also stated that whoever taking more dosages, nothing to be worried and no side effect. So these are the things that's been quoted in a lot of research papers. So we take that into a statement, we put it inside. So that's why we have to see back. If you want more details, you have to go and read all the reference. Okay. This paper actually based on the research, based on the cited research. We call it, this is a cited research. That means a review research, a review cited research paper. Okay. I didn't go to field. I do the what do you call in the pharmacologies. You go and check all these things and you do the test with virus. So know that. So there are a few types of research publications. Some is people already done the research. You collect all this research. You combine into a platform. Then you make a paper. Then you put into a field which is the best for this kind of solutions. So this paper is a review cited paper to make sure that all these 4 ingredients is good enough to fight the virus, because it already fight the more powerful viruses. Means that hepatitis B, you can see I quoted there some of the hepatitis B. It is also good for dengue viruses. It also good for herpes viruses. Means that this product, each and every one have the ability to knock down these viruses that currently in modern medication environment, they're still struggling out with the vaccines. Okay, so in this point of view, so this product can help the immune system, and the immune system have the ability to fight the virus. So COVID virus, we don't see it, there's not much research out yet, like hepatitis B, like a herpes simplex virus, like a dengue virus. There are so many viruses in the field. Okay, so all these viruses has been researched that mean that this product can knock down the virus. So in the conclusion, so if we see COVID, it's also a virus. So if we have enough evidence to bring down and knock down a lot of virus, even though HIV also quoted in a lot of research papers. We can see the CD4, CD8 counts has been reduced and the person become normal. And I also got a lot of live cases. Until now, they are okay, and all the viral load has been come down. So after taking our Ganoderma combination with this product, means that this COVID also can be taken. But at the same time, if people are positive, they also have to request to go down to the hospital to get the combination treatment. So means that what I'm saying is, this product that we created, the 4 item, is not a cure for the system, but it's an immune booster. When you take this product and take it in yourself daily life, it strengthens your immune system. At the same time, if you are positive, your chances recovering is very, very high. Okay, so you can be saved. Okay, and after I giving to a lot of people that working in a front line. This is the information based on the frontline people that currently taking. We found out that even though their person that their contacts with has positive, but they are still negative. Means that the immune system has been strengthened. That means their body has the ability to fight the virus because their result is negative.
Now, I totally agree to this. All the research that is being done in the labs for the virus is basically done in a petri dish with all those things. But to do something in the body, everybody's body immune system is different. To include the immune system also into fighting and combating the virus is only done on the human body. And these herbs that we are talking about, Ganoderma, the Nigella sativa, all those things, we have a history that dates back to almost 2,500 through 3,000 years of human usage. They are safe. They have proven their efficacy over time. So what you say, I completely endorse. Okay, now let me see. I am almost coming to the end of your research paper, let me see. No, that was it. So I have actually gone through your research paper, and I find you have done a fantastic job. So really, I really want to thank you, and thank you, Dr. Lim, for doing this. And so applause. Okay, now we get back, and this was just an introduction teaser. Now we are going back into the main show, where I'm going to ask you 5 questions. Okay, and you have the chance to explain that in short, in nicely. My 5 questions, because I'm very inquisitive as a person. So let me start with the first question. Are you okay?
Okay, good.
Okay, so first question here on the screen, it says, as a doctor, how do you see DXN different from other pharmaceutical and wellness companies?
Okay, so if you see, pharmaceutical companies are normally, they are creating something from the pharmaceutical industry. The pharmacologists, the scientists create something. So they do a lot of extraction, chemicalizations. But in you see DXN, we don't use all chemicals. What we see is a botanical research products. Botanically grown products. So if you see, in US, we have been registered the products under Dietary DSHEA, Dietary Supplement Health Education Act 1994. That means botanically grown vegetables mean something that controlled environment. That's why we have ISO 14001. It's an internationally controlled environment. ISO 14001 means that the product is fully monitored without any chemicalization, any fertilization. So a lot of things. We are creating something organically. Okay, so it's 10 times or 100 times safer than what we eat from the pharmaceutical companies. Pharmaceutical company, they're creating something for cureness. Okay, but we don't do something for cureness. You must remember that. Holistic medication such as Ganoderma, all the products in DXN, it immunize your system, it strengthen your system, it will support all the missing elements, essence in your body, and it will fill up all this essence in your body to make you more perfect, more healthy, more perfect, and you have a long life. This is the things we are going in. So if our body accepting all this natural essence, you can live longer without any problem. You can see nowadays people are suffering with lot of problems, diabetes, pressures. Why these things happen? And did there any solution? 20 years people taking diabetes medicine end up with kidney failure. Okay, so where we are leading and where we are going. So even though that patient looking at the same doctor and taking a medicine ton by ton, back by back, end up with dialysis, I don't think you are going in a correct direction. We are putting ourselves in a big risk. But if you combine, because why? The drugs need more, it will peel off and will pull off all the nutrition in the body to eat to perform. So your body become lack of nutrition, lack of essential minerals to perform. Your cells are dying. So by putting together with the natural holistic medication into your body, like what DXN provided, is the best to support your system, even though you can take together with the modern medication. So there's two different things. Drugs is maintaining, suppressing the system. But what we are doing, we are balancing the body, removing the toxin from the body, and make the body become more efficient. Okay?
Okay, great.
Clear?
Let me translate that to Hindi, because I saw some comments asking me to translate that in Hindi because I just got carried away and everything was in English. अच्छा, सवाल ये था, मैंने उनसे डॉक्टर शिवा से पूछा था कि आप जो अभी एक डॉक्टर होने के नाते आप एक DXN को बाकी के फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी से क्या अलग पाते हो, क्या किस नज़र से देखते हो? तो उनका कहना ये था कि DXN जो है ये नेचुरल हर्बल बेस्ड कंपनी है जहाँ पे हर चीज़ ऑर्गेनिकली की जाती है, पूरे सर्टिफिकेशंस उसके सब कुछ सही है, और एक ऐसी कंपनी है जिस पे भरोसा किया जा सकता है कि जो प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी है वो अप्रतिम है। और इसीलिए एज अ प्रैक्टिशनर जब वो किसी अच्छी प्रोडक्ट कंपनी के साथ जुड़ते हैं तब अपने पेशेंट को जब देते हैं तो उनको ये डर नहीं होता है कि प्रोडक्ट सही है कि गलत है। उनको सोर्स पता है, कहाँ से आता है, कैसे उसको मेंटेन किया गया है, सब कुछ पता है। इसीलिए उनका मानना ये है कि आज जो ज़रूरत है कि उनके जैसे जो होलिस्टिक प्रैक्टिशनर्स हैं, इन्होंने जब DXN के जैसे कंपनियों के साथ जुड़ते हैं तो वो बिना सोचे आप आराम से उसे प्रिस्क्राइब कर सकते हो और लोगों को हेल्प कर सकते हो। और ये आज की ज़रूरत भी है क्योंकि लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज़ इतने बढ़ गए हैं कि सिर्फ एलोपैथी दवाइयाँ लेके हम कहीं जाने वाले नहीं हैं। डायबिटीज़ पेशेंट आखिरकार जाएगा डायलिसिस के लिए ही, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं ये बीच वाला रास्ता जहाँ हम डायरेक्शन चेंज करें, डायबिटीज़ वाला डायलिसिस की तरफ नहीं जाते हुए अपने खुद को उम्र को लंबी करने के पीछे लग सकता है। तो हमारे जो गैनाडामा, स्पिरुलिना, मोरेंजी, ये जो प्रोडक्ट्स है सब सोच समझ के बनाए हुए प्रोडक्ट्स है और सब अपने शरीर को एक तो डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन, अपने शरीर में अल्कलिनिटी पैदा करने के लिए और अपने शरीर को साफ सुथरा और अच्छा करने के लिए है। ओके, फैंटास्टिक। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गो टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। डॉक्टर शिवा, आई नो दैट यू आर एन iridologist and this is a very interesting word, iridology, and I want to know what is iridology.
Okay, iridology is one of the tools that we all used to diagnose from the eye. Okay, so we scan the eye of the person. From the eye we see what is going on with their system, whether past, previous, present and future. So once we see the past, I mean, he have been accident, we can see them, there's been some injury happen in their body. And present, what is the condition of the system. And past, future means that where they are leading. So iridology is one of the methodology that we can use to search, to see, like a blood test. We can, once we get the blood test, we can get the information. So we know what's happening to the person. Same thing like iridology. We can see we can check the patient from the iridology, from their eye. We can analyze. We know where they are leading. So when we know where they are leading, what we'll do, we try to balance back their system. You see, so once we want to balance back the system, we know the current problem. So whatever they are taking from the hospital, they keep on taking. We don't stop whatever medication or whatever, because we are not a drug medicine to treat any diseases, to control any diseases. We are not that. So we are trying to balance back the system. At the same time, we will tell them, maintain whatever you take in the hospital, follow up with the hospital, you don't stop all these things, continue as usual, and adding the nature medication together to make your system more perfect. In the longer run, reducing the medication, stopping the medication, let the hospital do it. It's not our job. Okay, so that is the part of the consultation we are giving. So it's basically a tool of analysis of a system.
Oh, great. And I see you are the president of the iridology. What is it? It's the group, right? The whole association.
So, correct. In 2016, when we get know that every practitioners need to be registered to the government sectors on the alternative medicine. So what they come out with some procedures, so guidelines. That means you need to form an association. So many years I'm practicing. After that, the knowledge is not giving properly to the members, whoever want to study radiology. So what we do, we create an association. We create the platform for them to grow up. So in that platform, we create them more, become leader and also become a iridologist. At the same time, we also add in the gynotherapy in it.
Wow, very good. Let me translate that. मैंने डॉक्टर शिवा जो है वो इरिडोलॉजिस्ट भी है. ये इरिडोलॉजी एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जहाँ पे आँखों को देख के, आँखों में क्या होता है उससे आप शरीर के अंदर जो भूत में हो, वर्तमान में हो या भविष्य में क्या बीमारियाँ हो रही है या हो रही है अंदर क्या, उसके बारे में आपको जानकारी मिलती है. ये एक स्पेशलाइज्ड प्रैक्टिस है जिसकी पीछे एक्सपीरियंस लगता है. डॉक्टर शिवा काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस है उसमें और वो एक ऐसे एसोसिएशन के प्रेसिडेंट भी है जिन्होंने ये सीख जो है ये इरिडोलॉजी ये अपने लोगों को जिनको इंटरेस्ट है उनको सिखाते भी है. इसकी एक खासियत है कि ये आंखों से देख के पता कर लेते हैं कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है. ये फिर भी आपको बोलते हैं कि आप अपनी दवाई चालू रखो, अपना मेडिकल प्रैक्टिस जो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन है वो फॉलो अप करो हॉस्पिटल के साथ, लेकिन इससे ऐड करो कि अपने अंदर क्या हो रहा है ये समझ लो और उसके साथ अपनी लाइफ को चेंज करो. तो yes, Dr. Shiva, it seems to be very interesting because my wife and I was telling her that this is one of the branches that Dr. Shiva is specialized in. So she was asking, oh, how is that possible? I said, why can't it be possible? If you look at the eye that has icterus, the yellow eye, and there is some problem in the liver, jaundice. So similarly, there are many things that you can actually look into the eye and you can know what is wrong in your body. Oh, then she got convinced. So I totally agree, and someday we will probably take a full program on this. For now, this is good enough. Okay. तो हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. We go back to the question session and we go to question number 3. How do you use iridology and gynotherapy in your clinical practice?
Okay. So iridology, as I told you, is a method to identify what is going wrong with the patient, with the person with the client that come and see us. So when we analyze their eye, we will tell them what is going on with your system. We are not telling them what is their diseases. We don't want to know about diseases. We only talk about the system. The system is linked together with our body, with our together with all human. So when everything is linked together, we have to see a patient, a client, a customer as a whole holistically. So when we analyze them, we will tell them how about your blood circulatory and what's happening to your nephritis system, what is happening to neuro system. So when we talk one by one, they will agree, they will come back to the conclusion. So after that, they will sure ask you back, yeah, what you tell is correct, and what is the solution? So I said, okay, the solution is we reverse back the system using gynotherapy method. Okay, gynotherapy will reverse back the system by treating the system, not the diseases. Treating the system, immunize the system, let the body improve your health. So the body have all the ability to treat by own. Okay, so when we use the gynotherapy as a treatment, then we also tell them what is the reactions, what is the thing. So this is the method that we combine together. So we find the problem analysis and we give the solution analysis with the gynotherapy. So iridology and gynotherapy we put together to make sure the patient have the customer have a complete details of their solutions.
Fantastic.
It's a package of solution.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Dr. Shiva ने एक अद्भुत अपनी जो इरिडोलॉजी की जो खूबसूरती वाली प्रैक्टिस थी उसके साथ गैनोथेरेपी को ऐड किया। यहाँ पे गैनोथेरेपी का मतलब आप समझ जाइए कि हम जो गैनोडर्मा और बाकी के जो प्रोडक्ट्स है, स्पिरुलिना, मुरंजी, बाकी जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स है डीएक्सन के, इसको लेके शरीर में दो चीज़ें करते हैं। एक शरीर की स्वच्छता जिसे कहते हैं डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन, दूसरा शरीर में संतुलन जिसे कहते हैं बैलेंस। ये दोनों करते हैं, इसी को गैनोथेरेपी के नाम से जाना जाता है। शरीर के ऊपर काम करता है हमारे जो प्रोडक्ट्स है, जो फूड सप्लीमेंट जिसे बोलते हैं, ये शरीर पे काम करता है और शरीर जो ताकतवर होने के बाद वो बीमारियों से लड़ता है। फैंटास्टिक। सो नाउ वी मूव फॉरवर्ड टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 and this is an important question and today's time. Can one boost one's immunity overnight? If so, how? Because this question I'm asking you because there are a lot of ads and coming now, you can boost your immune system in 2 days, 3 days. What is your take on this question?
Okay, our body, you see, you must understand one thing. Whenever we born, okay, we are still a child, somebody feeding us. After that, we start to learn to walk, and from born we not running. It takes you like 3 years to make you run perfectly. You know that one also you go and hit here and there. So in 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, you develop your brain. 4 to 6 is a child brain developing time. And 6 to 12 is the brain is developing more, and it's keep on growing and you become matured. So this is the body is like a Lego set. It start to fix and fix and fix. When you keep on fixing it, you will find it some of the Lego set are losing. Then you try to fix it back. So our body is like a daily maintenance body. Okay, you cannot say you eat today, 10 days you are starving. Okay, but next day you go and eat also. So you must know that immunity is a daily life cycles. You must maintain it in a longer run. And a lot of people don't understand that. They think taking nature medicine or supplements, 1 month, then they become a Superman. Okay, so it's not like that. It's a daily basis that you need to maintain your system. At the same time, you must have your holistic way also. Means that you must have a good sleep, 6 to 8 hours per day, water, whenever you need, you drink. Don't drink too much, don't drink too little. Drink, follow your system, and don't eat too much, don't eat too less. Follow your system. Everything has been collectively combining together into your system. Your body is the best doctor to know everything, and it keep on every day telling you what is the problem. When the body telling you what is the problem, you have to act like that. You must understand, when you're hungry, you go and eat. But you don't go and eat 3 o'clock, even though you don't hungry, you go and eat that. No. So the body knows each and every protocols, procedures, principle. It knows. You can't change it. Nowadays, we feel that we are controlling the system. Not that system is controlling you. It's already reversed. So when you start controlling your system, you think, hey, I want to live 150 years. Cannot. That is system to decide whether you want to live 150 years or not. How you maintain the system. What are the essence you put into the system. What are the mind, mentally, physical things you give to the system. What are the dietary food you're giving to the system. All these things are playing a role to sustain your immunity thing. So when your immune system is keep on coming in, there are a lot of disasters like viruses, bacteria always attacking you in and out. The moment I'm sitting down here, surrounding me got a lot of viruses, bacteria. We don't see. It keep on attacking. It keep on entering your body. But the body system know how to kill it, how to balance it based on your immunity. And all the Ganoderma, all the holistic medication help you to maintain the system immunity up to 100 level. Okay, so when you're hungry, your glucose is go down. What you feel tired. But when you eat, you feel better. The glucose is go up. So these are the things you need to understand. Everything is go daily basis. You must maintain your system daily. Not like one day you eat, 10 days you starving. Okay.
So that means to make it very clear, immunity cannot be built overnight.
No. Okay. You must go consequently, slowly, basely, in a long term.
Yeah. So let me translate that in Hindi. ये सवाल मैंने उनसे ये पूछा डॉक्टर शिवा से कि क्या हमारी जो रोग प्रतिकार क्षमता है, हम आजकल जो चल रहा है कि आप अपनी रोग प्रतिकार क्षमता को बढ़ाइए, बूस्ट अप कीजिए, क्या ये अभी कर सकते हैं एक दो दिन में या 3 दिन में हमारी इम्यून सिस्टम क्या बूस्ट अप हो सकती है? तो उनका जवाब भी नहीं था, जो मेरा भी है, कि आप 1-2 दिन में ये नहीं कर सकते। और उन्होंने अच्छा एग्जाम्पल दिया। उन्होंने एग्जाम्पल ये दिया कि आपकी इम्यून सिस्टम एक लेगो बनाने वाली खिलौने की तरह होते हैं। जब एक एक पार्ट डालना पड़ता है तब कहीं आपका वो पूरा लेगो का सेट पूरा तैयार हो जाए। अगर कहीं एक पार्ट गलत हो गया तो पूरा गलत भी हो सकता है। तो इसको आपको डिसिप्लिन के साथ उसको रोज़ करना है। तो आप क्या खाते हो, कैसे सोते हो, क्या सोचते हो, ये सब मायने रखता है आपकी इम्यूनिटी बनाने के लिए। उसके साथ साथ उन्होंने एक अच्छा एग्जाम्पल दिया कि जैसे बच्चा होता है, पैदा होते ही उसको चलना फिरना खाना सब कुछ आता नहीं है, लेकिन वो धीरे धीरे सीखता है, फिर उसमें वो माहिर बन जाता है, उसको फिर चलना भी आता है, दौड़ना भी आता है, सब कुछ करना आता है। उसी तरह आपकी इम्यून सिस्टम को आप कैसे तैयार कर रहे हो, आप उसको कैसे बढ़ावा दे रहे हो, आप उसको कैसे ताकतवर बना रहे हो कि खुद क खुद वो एक दिन आने वाली कोई भी बीमारी हो उससे आपको बचा सके। तो ये आपके लिए एक लंबे समय का वक्त गुजारना पड़ेगा। और सच मानो तो डीएक्सएन आज वो कंपनी में से शायद दुनिया में एकमात्र ऐसी कंपनी है जो शरीर, मन, खाना, ये सब के बारे में आज सिखा रही है। ये सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट बेचने के पीछे नहीं लगी है, ये आपको एक लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में बता रही है। So very good, thank you so much. That brings us to the last question of this Coffee at Home show, and this is a very very important question. COVID-19, should I be scared? Should I be scared, Dr. Shiva?
Okay. So you see, when you said scared, currently everybody is scared. Okay.
Yes.
The government also scared. Everybody is scared. So we have to follow the rules and regulation. What government and ministries are talking, we are the one who can break the chain. And to say scared, you need to find in your mind. If you're too scared, you are bringing the virus in you. Okay. Be positive. Don't be negative. Be positive. So the positiveness is actually to fight to break the chain. So the best thing what you can do, take a lot of whatever Ganoderma, all these things I have quoted. You can take that to strengthen your food, strengthens your body, and at the same time get a good food and a healthy lifestyles and a good diet, and also do some like exercise. Don't sleep too much. All these things now holidays, people will start to sleep too much. That also not good for the body.